welcome back. Another video on the M5 today, and as you just saw the other day I went to open up my hood and I noticed that the shocks are not keeping the hood up. It just falls right back down. It happened out of nowhere, so I guess these things just either work or not. I assume both of them failed, so we're going to be replacing them today. So I placed an order for these in FCP Euro, and these are Stabilus, which are made in Germany, as you can see here, and these are original equipment brand, so it's pretty much exactly what BMW uses and at a fraction of the cost. I believe these were about $30 for the set, compared to probably twice as much from the genuine BMW. So it should be an easy install. Let's get these things on. So I'm gonna start by hopefully fitting these 2x6. It's the best thing I could find here, and see if I can somehow keep this thing up. Seems okay. Now I am gonna have to remove this cover here for the air filter in order to access the bottom of the shock here. That's an easy move. So we just gotta take this clip here and I guess push it up till it comes out. And that's one part. And of course the other clip's gonna be down here, but you won't be able to see these. Not easy to get the camera here. Just once you get the clip out, just be careful it doesn't fall somewhere. And there it is. And the new ones already have the clips pre-installed, and they just snap on into place. I don't think you need any grease on these. I believe the new ones are already lubricated, so yeah, they have a little bit of grease. You can't probably tell, but there's a little bit of grease inside already on both sides, so you don't really need to grease these at all. You could just clean them up, if anything. And we're gonna put the thick side up and the shaft side down. Oh, these are gonna be, they're hard to press, so I think I'm gonna have to put the bottom one first. Let's see, yeah. And that's a click. And then I'm gonna have to push this hood up with my hand, I guess. Being careful not to let my 2x6 fall on me. And now I can have enough clearance to, well, these are, I'm gonna have to press on this a little bit by the looks of it. There we go. Wow. Now that is definitely strong enough. I have nothing holding the hood right now except for this one here, so it looks like, I guess, just one of them gets the job done. Let's go ahead and put the other side anyways. Alright, so both shocks installed. Hood is up on its own. Beautiful. Alright, that's it. Easy job, highly recommended. If your shocks are bad, you don't want to be holding this heavy hood while you're working on the engine bay. So that'll do it for this video. Please drop your comments below, and I will see you all on the next one. Peace.